Queen's back injury lawyer. A back injury can completely change your life. It can make it painful or even impossible to work, care for your family, or enjoy daily activities. If your injury happened because of someone else's carelessness, whether in a car crash, at work, or on unsafe property, you may be entitled to compensation. In New York, personal injury claims involving back injuries are governed by specific laws. The type of injury, how it happened, and who is responsible all factor into the case. If the injury was caused by negligence, the responsible party can be held liable. New York also follows a comparative negligence rule, meaning your compensation may be reduced if you're partly at fault. The law provides for compensation that includes medical expenses, lost wages, and pain and suffering. For severe cases like spinal cord injuries, the financial recovery can also include costs for long-term care and home modifications. It's important to act quickly. New York has a 3-year statute of limitations for personal injury claims, but the deadline can be shorter if a public entity is involved. If you're wondering what role a Queen's back injury lawyer can play in your case, the answer is a significant one. A lawyer can manage your entire claim, from gathering medical records and documenting the injury to negotiating with insurance companies and representing you in court. When insurers try to label tailbone fractures or chronic pain as minor, a lawyer can push back with strong evidence, medical testimony, and a clear picture of how your life has changed. The L Sanchez Law Office, PC, brings local experience and understands the unique demands of Queen's courts. That matters when you're facing pressure from insurance adjusters who want to minimize your claim. The law firm can help ensure that the amount offered truly reflects your pain, your recovery time, and your future needs. The process starts with identifying what kind of back injury you've suffered. These can include soft tissue injuries, herniated discs, vertebrae fractures, and spinal cord injuries. Each comes with its own symptoms, treatments, and long-term consequences. Soft tissue damage may involve muscles and ligaments, while vertebrae fractures, often seen in falls or car crashes, can lead to nerve damage or mobility issues. In the most serious cases, like paraplegia or quadriplegia, the impact is lifelong. Even less visible injuries, such as chronic back pain, are recognized under New York law as valid claims. Your attorney can work with your doctors to prove that the injury has altered your daily life. Having an attorney who understands these nuances is critical. A skilled back injury attorney will document not just your current medical expenses but also future needs, whether that means additional surgeries, physical therapy, or help with daily tasks. A law firm with experience in these types of cases can also anticipate the arguments insurers are likely to use, especially if you have a pre-existing condition. The eggshell plaintiff rule in New York protects you in those situations, but it takes the right legal strategy to enforce it effectively. You don't have to carry the burden of a back injury claim alone. Let the attorneys at L Sanchez Law Office, PC, stand up for your rights. Call 646-701-7990 or visit their office at 3763 83rd Street #1 meter, Jackson Heights, New York, 11372, United States. They're ready to help you fight for the compensation you deserve.